All right, well, today's the day that small business owners are supposed to be able to apply for emergency help, one-time loans so they can make payroll and pay their bills.
But one of the nation's largest banks says payroll protection program, it's not ready, and it may not be able to start taking applications today. Consumer expert Amy Davis joins us live now with more on this much needed part of the national relief package. Good morning, Amy.
Yeah, good morning, guys. So this loan program is supposed to provide $30 million for small businesses, and the application period that just started this morning at midnight. But banks say they only received guidance from the federal government hours before, and it's 31 pages of rules. So Chase Bank sent out an email to customers last night that reads in part, financial institutions like ours are still awaiting guidance from the SBA and the U.S. Treasury. As a result, Chase will most likely not be able to start accepting the applications on Friday, April 3rd, as we had hoped. Now, those rules ask for small businesses to upload their payroll statements, but banks say there's no uniform way for those businesses to report them. That means some of the statements will have to be eyeballed individually. That's going to take a lot of time. And banks have concerns about fraud or simple mistakes. After the 2008 financial crisis, banks were held liable for billions of dollars in fines and lawsuits following the rollout of relief efforts back then. So what can you do if you own a small business and you need one of these loans? You can call your bank today. If you do not have a relationship with a bank that is offering these loans, you can use the SBA website to find a bank near you offering the loans. I have that link on my Facebook page, KPRC2 Amy Davis. It's up right now, and I'm working on getting that posted for you right now also on click2houston.com. We've got new information now on when we can expect to see those stimulus checks. April 13th. That's the new date when the U.S. Treasury Secretary now says is when the first Americans will see the money in their bank accounts by direct deposit. May 4th, the IRS expects to start issuing paper checks to individuals whose bank information is not already on file. But it could take up to 20 weeks. That is September, people, for all of those stimulus checks to be mailed out. So yesterday at a White House briefing, the Treasury Secretary said that a web portal would be established for people to supply their details, your banking information, and that checks would be sent to everyone else. But he didn't specify a timeline or when we might see that web portal where people could enter your information. But when that is available, we will definitely share that with you so that you could get your check sooner.